Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Shakespeare's plays, language, and dramatic devices together, step by step. Shakespeare wrote most of his lines in iambic pentameter. An iamb is a soft beat followed by a strong beat, like a heartbeat, da-dum. 5 of those per line makes pentameter. Tap it out on a desk as you read, and you'll feel the rhythm steady you. When a character breaks the meter, that disruption often signals strong emotion worth noticing. 2 speech types get confused. A soliloquy is when a character is alone and speaks their private thoughts aloud, like Hamlet's, to be or not to be. A monologue is a long speech delivered to other characters on stage. The key difference is the audience. A soliloquy lets us hear honest, unguarded thinking, while a monologue is a performance for others. Dramatic irony happens when the audience knows something a character does not. In Romeo and Juliet, we know Juliet is only sleeping, but Romeo believes she has died. That gap fills the scene with unbearable tension, because we can see the mistake coming. Whenever you sense yourself wanting to warn a character, you've found dramatic irony at work. Shakespeare adored puns, words that carry 2 meanings at once. When the dying Mercutio jokes he'll be a grave man tomorrow, he means both serious and buried. These double meanings appear even in his darkest scenes. When a line seems oddly phrased, ask whether a word is doing 2 jobs. That pause often unlocks the wit and the sorrow together. Here's your Shakespeare survival kit. 1. Feel the da-doom heartbeat of iambic pentameter and notice when it breaks. 2. A soliloquy is spoken alone, a monologue to others. 3. Dramatic irony lets us know more than the characters. 4. Slow down for puns and their double meanings. With these 4 tools, the plays stop feeling cryptic and start feeling alive. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.